Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is switchgear and protection, numericals on unit 1, basics of protection. So in this video we see the formulas, how to find out or how to solve the symmetrical fault calculations. So here we see first of all the formulas, short circuit fault calculation in lines fed by generator through transformer. So first formula is percentage reactance. How to find out the percentage reactance? So here percentage reactance is percentage and reactance. Reactance is X. Then percentage reactance is equal to full load current multiplied by reactance divided by voltage multiplied by 100. So this is the formula of percentage reactance. Then here where I is the full load current, V is the phase voltage, X is the reactance on ohm per phase. So this is about the percentage reactance. Then second is short circuit current. How to find out the short circuit current? So short circuit current is equal to full load current multiplied by in bracket 100 upon percentage reactance. When we find out the short circuit current, then we first of all find the full load current, and there are two methods to find out the full load current. First method is P is equals to root 3 VI, and second method is I is equals to or full load current is equal to base kVA multiplied by 1000 divided by root 3 kVA rating multiplied by 1000. So these are the two methods to find out the full load current. सो तर ते आपण न्यूमरिकल्समध्ये बघूयात की फॉर्म्युले कसे आपण यूज करायचे आहेत. त्यानंतर बेस के व्ही एचा फॉर्म्युला आहे और द पर्सेंटेज रिॲक्टन्स ॲट बेस के व्ही इज इक्वल्स टू बेस के व्ही ए डिवायडेड बाय रेटेड के व्ही ए मल्टिप्लाय बाय पर्सेंटेज रिॲक्टन्स ऑफ रेटेड के व्ही ए. सो तर हे सर्व फॉर्म्युले आपण बघणार आहे. त्याआधी स्टेप्स काय आहेत सिमेट्रिकल शॉर्ट सर्किट फॉल्ट कॅल्क्युलेशन करण्याच्या त्या बघूया. स्टेप्स टू कॅल्क्युलेट सिमेट्रिकल शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट ऑफ शॉर्ट सर्किट के व्ही ए. So step 1 is draw single line diagram of given network. Step 2 is indicate alternating voltage percentage reactance of each element of the network. Step 3 is select base kVA according to your convenience. Then step 4 is convert all percentage reactance to this base value. Step 5 into single line diagram of network showing one phase of the system and the neutral. Step 6 is indicate the percentage reactance on the base kVA reactance diagram. 1. If the transformer in the system reactance is in series, for generator reactance in parallel. Second. Then the step 7 is calculate total percentage reactance of the network up to the point of fault. Step 8 is calculate full load current corresponding to the base kVA and normal system voltage at the fault point. सो P इज इक्वल्स टू रूट 3 VI. या स्टेपने पण आपण फुल लोड करंट फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. वेअर P इज इक्वल्स टू बेस KVA, V इज इक्वल्स टू व्होल्टेज ॲट फुल साइड अँड I इज फुल लोड करंट. देन स्टेप 9th इज then calculate short circuit current by using formula. Short circuit current is equals to I into in bracket 100 divided by percentage reactance. Then calculate short circuit KVA by using formula. Short circuit KVA, this is the formula of short circuit KVA. Short circuit KVA is equals to base KVA in bracket 100 divided by percentage reactance. So these are the steps to find out the short circuit fault calculation. Then after this there is a this is the second formula to find out the full load current. Full load current is equals to base KVA multiplied by 1000 divided by root 3 into KVA rating into 1000. So this is the second formula of find out the full load current. Then after this we see these numericals. Here see this is the second. All this we see in this video. So here see first numerical is this numerical we see in the next video. So today thank you.